So your child comes home from school and says, "Guess what? We are using Minecraft at school and I would like to load it onto our home computer." This is an excellent opportunity to extend the learning from the classroom. You are probably wondering where you can get Minecraft Education Edition and if there's any cost to it. Well, let's start with where to find it. In your browser, go to education.minecraft.net. There is no need to sign in. Simply click on the Support button and then click Download. From here, you will need to download two different files, Minecraft Education Edition and Code Connect. Choose your computer's platform and download. Once all the files have been downloaded to your computer, install them and you are just about ready for your child to start crafting. If your child did not receive a year license from the school, she or he will have only 10 logins to build and learn about the Minecraft environment. Teachers, they receive 25 logins to help them build and plan lessons to incorporate Minecraft. At this time, the only ones who can purchase Minecraft Education Edition are schools and museums. In order to access the application, your child will need to sign in to their Office 365 education account. Unfortunately, that means you, as the parent, will not be able to log in and play alongside your child. However, sitting with your child and watching them interact with the Minecraft world can be an excellent way to learn about what your child is doing and creating while using Minecraft. Once logged into Minecraft, there are many worlds that will help your child learn and master many of the different components that make up this great application. These worlds consist of tutorials to help understand how Minecraft works, coding, which will show your child how to use coding commands to build and create in Minecraft, and chemistry, which will allow students to build and create elements, compounds, and even objects through the use of chemicals and elements. Now that you know where to get Minecraft for your child, let's get crafting. Thank you for watching.